Find or read reviews that people are talking about. GKOKG Portable Toilet with Pop-Up Privacy Tent for Adults, Camping Portable Toilet Tent Kit Outdoor Emergency Folding Toilet Tent Kit. 2-in-1 Portable Potty Privacy Toilet Tent for RV Camping Travel. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose GKOKG Portable Toilet with Pop-Up Privacy Tent. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Everything you need. Still worried about the embarrassing situation in your camping or traveling? This portable toilet tent comes with a complete set can help you perfectly. 1 folding toilet, 1 privacy tent, 16 garbage bags, 12 liquid waste gel chemicals, 1 toilet storage bag and 1 backpack. Versatile use. The large pop-up tent gives you an instant private place to use the toilet, take a quick shower or change clothes in the open air. The extra large folding toilet can also be used as a storage box, trash can, stool, vomit bucket. You can take it to camping, fishing, beach, hiking and traveling. Our 47.3 x 47.3 x 74.8 inch privacy tent is roomier than most others and can accommodate adults. The toilet is 12 inches high with 16 side panels and the edges are widened to 1.6 inches for more stability and less shaking. With a 600-pound weight capacity, both adults and children can use it with confidence. Portable design. This toilet tent kit can all be stored in our backpack, and the toilet has an extra storage bag to keep your car clean. Put this backpack in your trunk and open it anytime you need. You can easily set up a private bathroom with a toilet in less than 3 minutes. And the resulting waste can be quickly solidified and cleaned up. Start your next adventure in a clean environment. Superior material. This privacy tent is made of tear-resistant 170T polyester for long-lasting durability, and the flexible frame is made of high-quality galvanized steel and will not easily deform or rust. With the ground pegs and windproof ropes to make the tent more stable. The ABS folding toilet is strong and durable, help to pack up all kinds of garbage. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.